The Beaumont chapter of Texas Association of Sports Officials has been giving back to Southeast Texas student athletes for nearly 2 decades. Their all-star baseball games and golf tournaments each year help raise money, and it goes right back to area baseball players. Congratulations in order for 6 Southeast Texas student athletes tonight as the Beaumont Tasso chapter awarded 6 $1,000 scholarships. In over the nearly 20 years, they've awarded in the neighborhood of $200,000 in scholarship money. This year's scholarship winners include Austin Brushbeer from Lumberton, Chris Moore out of Evadale, also Brandon Johnson from East Chambers, Shay Singleton out of Vidor, Dorian Lewis from Beaumont Central, and Blake Perminter out of Orangefield. For the 6 Tasso scholarship winners, it's an honor and one that's well deserved.
I played against all these guys before in baseball growing up, and you all know about each other, and it's pretty cool to see us all grow up and move off and get these scholarships too.
It means a lot because all these umpires, I mean, they umped me like growing up, Little League and stuff, I mean, for years. So just them picking me out for this it means a lot.
Me being behind the plate, I used to, make the umpires laugh and have a good time.
Is it neat to have that relationship continue? They're giving back to you guys right now.
Yes, sir. It's a real blessing.
These guys do so much for us. They take time out of their work day or take time out of their life to come let us play a game, a fun game, and they do a great job for us, and I thank them.